Our water-based stains exhibit little to no color pull when a water top coat is applied. Here's a comparison of GF Provincial stain against a competitor. Both stains were applied 3 hours ago, and I'm going to add a splash of top coat over the stain. There, just a little bit. This is high performance. Now I'll wait 1 minute. Okay, it's been a minute. Here's a reveal. I'll wipe this off and you can just see. Notice the color pull on the competitor side. GF water-based stains are far superior. Remember, it's all about color, and no one does color better than General Finishes. General Finishes is dedicated to testing, evaluating, and advancing our water-based finishes with the highest quality ingredients and leading-edge water-based technology. Learn more about these wood stains and other GF products at generalfinishes.com. General Finishes. We make tomorrow's finishes today.